I'm Marlo. I am the Community Recreation Programmer at Chocolate Lake, and today we are going to do an experiment using hard color-coded candy. We're going to start with our candy. It can be any type that's a hard shell. Bright colors work best. We need some water. When we're doing the experiment, you can make some challenges. You could test it with cold water, warm water, lukewarm water, and determine what's going to work best in making our colorful rainbow. Today I chose some warm water to use, and I have a measuring cup, but a cup works well. We're just going to take our cup and grab a little bit of the water, and we're going to place it in the center of our design. Today I chose a few different designs. I'm going to start with our triangle first. You don't want to cover the candy in water. You just want enough just to have the water touch the candy. Don't submerge it. So I'm going to take the cup and pour it in the center, and we're going to see what happens. This will take a few minutes to work. As you're going to see, most candy is made with dye and sugars, and the water causes it to dissolve. So what's happening to make our rainbow, you're seeing the colors and the sugar dissolving and pulling towards the center, creating our rainbow. When you make your patterns, you can choose to make it in a rainbow color, or you can make a pattern like I did using two colors, red and purple, or there's plenty of other options to do. As you can see, it's slowly pulling in. Soon it will be completely filled in. You can make little swirls with your finger to make little different shapes. But what do you think would happen if you took a toothpick and mixed it all together? Do you think those pretty colors would stay the same? You're right, it wouldn't. It would turn into a massive gray color. So we're going to leave it as our nice bright colors